Pindans. Ah. Kaway. Yay!
Let's celebrate. It's alright, baby. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright, baby. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. Oh, we're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. Yeah.
English nga na kwarta na halin ang property. Kahilangan niya ito.
Edwin Colinar. And I would like to read a citation for our developers category in recognition for your outstanding sales achievement, for your hard work and dedication have been a huge contribution to the success of GEMCC3 Realty. Given this the 27th date of February 2023 at Luxe Hotel, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines, signed by our CEO Officer Ray Bernaldez and our COO Mr. Edwin Polinar and our company real estate broker Ms. Catherine Joy Miral. And let's start our top 10 developer category. Our top number 10 goes to Miss Daisy Asoy. Palakpakan! Congratulations! On stage, ladies and gentlemen, it's our top number 10 for developer category, Miss Daisy Asoy. And moving on to our top number 9 goes to Miss Jonaline Kaburnay. Palakpakan! A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Miss Jonaline Kaburnay, our top number 9 for developer category. And are you guys ready for our top number 8? Goes to Miss Bernadette Guadalquiver. Again, our top number 8, Miss Bernadette Miss Jane Grace Gamana. A round of applause, please. On stage, our top number 6, Miss Jane Grace Gamana. And now, are you guys ready for our top number 5? Goes to Miss Corazon Polinar, our top number 5. A round of applause, please, to Miss Corazon Polinar. And our top number 4 goes to Miss Arlene Hiroy. A round of applause, please, to Miss Arlene, our top number 4. And our top number 3 goes to Miss Grace Dolores Monton. A round of applause, please, to Miss Grace Dolores. On stage, our top number 3, Miss Grace Dolores Monton. And our top number 2 goes to Mr. Raynor Villanueva. A round of applause to Mr. Raynor Villanueva. Our top number 2. Our top number 1, I would like to request everyone again to please all eyes to our screen for another video presentation.
For me, there's no secret in success. The only right attitude towards your company and co-workers, and most especially to your clients, and also dedication to your work. So my experiences as a sales agent, you have to focus in sales. There's no far places as long as it can convert into sales. However, not all the time will close the deal. So the good thing, this will be served as your experience to know their needs, how to handle questions and queries to the properties. So my learnings is punctuality and patience comes together to deal with clients. Know the details of the property to be able to answer the queries of the client. So my plan together with GEMCC3 Realty is to gain more sales. How it will be done? So by finding more nice properties and attend seminars to enhance your knowledge regarding sales and effective communication skills also.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, our top number one for developer category is Miss Erling Mas. A round of applause, please. Congratulations to Miss Erling M. Mas, our top number one again for developer category. Congratulations to all our awardees for developer category. A round of applause, please. And right now, please stand by sa atong awardees developer. To serenade, ladies and gentlemen, we give you back on stage, Mr. John Real Estokia.
Applause to these awardees, to mga achievers awardees. Palakpakan naman, palakpakan.
One, two. Nangaon ni diri guys sa High Ridge diri sa Cagayan de Oro City. Kauban sila mama, bibigat ka. Papa si Ray, Kuya Dilo, Kassy, Mami. O, amo pong birthday ni Baby. Ulang na, 11 months. 11 months na yun. Diyan sa kanila. Ha? Diyan sa kanila. Ang video. Then napo diri ako mga kapartner sa business, si Sir Ray, si Ma'am Kat, si Ma'am Nance, at si Ma'am Thank you so much sa opportunity nga gihatag sa Ginoo. Nagbanding mi diri mga ka-partners, mga guys, diri sa Irene sa Cagayan de Oro City. Yan makita ninyo ang view. Ang view sa Cagayan de Oro City. Thank you Lord for another blessing of my life. Thank you sa tanan na greetings. Nagkuhan siya dito ng Xerox. Dugayan na, dugay dito. Di utong guna, mutong.
Dire na ilang force ko haon. May antangan, muwa na ginamata antangan. Di ba na nagablo? Di ba na nagablo? Ay, ito pa na. Kasi tagamay gabi. Tagamay na gabi.
Gusto ko kayo maak dahil kilabag skura diri ay. Dahil kilabag.
Amo ba?
Maak mo guna?
Gigigil mo.
Bahay ko bu.
Pinita niya ako sa hinaya kaw-kaw pagpuguso.
Bahay. Ang isa ay seryoso na yun.
Sige, tanaw kay Mama.
Ay, gautong-utong mo guna isa oh.
Di alam na ako, before and after.
Zero.